Okay, we've got our Ferrari 330 mechanical fuel pump here. We got it hooked up through gasoline. We're actually pumping real gas. It's always a good idea to do that. Unit's completely sealed. It has a new diaphragm in it. It has new valves in it. We're using the customer's original banjo bolts, which will return to operate it. We've got it hooked up on a jig here that duplicates the push rod on the original system here. We've got it on a lever and we're activating it. Problem was before we were getting an excess of 9 pounds of pressure. Right now, I'll go ahead and pump it a few times to show the action. Okay, so we can see that it is pumping fuel right now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp off our line here in just a second. Go ahead and press it in. Okay, I got it clamped. Release. You see right up there at 3 pounds of pressure, which is 2.5 to 3 pounds is what Weber carburetors require, and that's what we've got. So, and interestingly, there's two springs in this thing. There's a spring underneath the diaphragm, and as well, there is a return spring on the bottom of the push rod that captures right off of this dot right here. We were able to fine-tune it by increasing the pressure of this spring, which of course acts in addition to the spring underneath the diaphragm. So that's how we're able to dial it in so closely. So that's our story, and we're sticking to it.